I watched my husband go back to work at 75. Here's what I did next. He was 75 and clocking back in because we couldn't make ends meet. That just broke me and broke my heart. I never expected to watch the man I love, a hard-working, kind, giving man, put on an outfit for work at 75. But that's exactly what happened when the bills just piled up and we were left with no cushion, gone. And it wasn't because we didn't try. We followed the rules, we did everything right, but the system didn't care. Inflation, rising medical costs, and a broken retirement system forced our hand. That moment changed everything. I realized we needed a new plan, fast. That's when I found this digital model. No sales calls, no chasing, no tech overwhelm, just a step-by-step blueprint that helped me rebuild from home. Now I earn daily from my cell phone in a couple hours or less a day. I finally felt peace again. And more importantly, I gave my husband the gift of rest. You don't have to choose between love and income. You just need a better vehicle. Want to learn how I did it? Check out my site, Pring Daily Pay, and I will definitely get back to you. Send me an email and I will answer any and all your questions. I'm certified as a mentor now, and I love helping others actually build a life once again for themselves and never have to worry about it again. That's the best part. So hopefully I see you on the other side. Check it out for yourself.